Hey everyone, it's Friday, October 23rd. Today you need to check in on campus and then you can watch this book talk that Mr. Escrow has created for you guys. And then you need to go back and revise your paper. Yesterday you did stations and a lot of the stations asked you to look at your own paper and figure out what maybe you needed to go back and fix a little bit. So go back, fix up your paper a little bit based on the stuff that you looked at yesterday, and then you need to submit your paper on EduFlow. On EduFlow is how we're going to do peer editing. So before you go to EduFlow, go onto your paper, take your name off and take your name off of the header. We're going to do this all anonymously because some people are not completely okay sharing their story and some people are okay sharing their story as long as their names are not on it. So, and it also makes the editing process a little bit easier if we keep it a little bit more anonymous. So, first go to your rough draft, take your name off of it, you can take your hour off of it, and you can take your last name off of the header. Then, once you're done doing that, go to EduFlow. And it should bring you right to my class, and then you can submit it where it says narratives first draft. So make sure you submit it in the narratives first draft. Then on Monday and Tuesday we're going to go through and we are going to do some peer reviewing. So make sure that you have it in so that you can take part in peer reviewing and get some more feedback from your classmates. Have a great day and let me know if you have any questions.